Rainforest Recovery. We came here like 50 years ago, and we bought this first piece of land. And the reason why we bought it is because we wanted to preserve the forest we have on the back. It's primary forest. And since then we have been working in trying to buy more forest. And it may sound difficult, but yes, we have bought forest and we keep the forest and we own the forest. Of course, there are regulations that indicate we cannot cut it. We don't want to cut it. We are for keeping it, but we do own it. And we want to own more and to buy more to make sure that we can help the government and universities and all those that are doing work and research to keep the forest. We're doing a little bit of that, helping with it in a different way. We're private land owners and we own the forest. Why we do that? Because any little bit piece that we can own that can add to these biological corridors that we have in the southern part of Costa Rica, one of the most biodiverse areas in the world, if not, as Corcovado researchers say, that's the most biodiverse area. George! Venga!
The people here, they say, and there's a saying, that the beauty of Costa Rica brings you here, but the people is what makes you stay. And that is absolutely without a doubt the truth, because the people who live here still hold that magic that we have seemed to have lost because of our need to have in the rest of the world. It still holds the magic that we can all learn from, and hopefully our value systems will go back to what it once was, where neighbor helps neighbor. And the most important thing in life is not money, but the most important thing in life is family, family values, friendship, and helping a neighbor.
So my life really changed when I came to the rainforests on the Osa Peninsula in 2003. So I'm very excited to be working with Rainforest Recovery and finding ways to protect this land that I love so much. And one thing that makes Rainforest Recovery so unique is the fact that it's not a government entity, it's not an NGO. It's a group of private owners using our own private resources to protect the rainforest.
We are in the mid height area of the Esquinas River. Highest part is over there, and as we move down, we go to the Golfo Dulce, to the estuary of the Esquinas River. A place, Golfo Dulce, where we find dolphins and whales. The best we can keep this area, the better Golfo Dulce will be. Why? Because if the water goes clean from here to the Golfo Dulce, then whales will find a good environment and habitat when they come. If we cut this forest, then what we will have is just sediments in that Golfo Dulce, something that whales do not like. That's why we keep it, and that's connectivity. Costa Rica is a very small country, 51,000 square kilometers. Very small. So anything we do is connected.
Okay, my family was in animal conservation since 1898. My grandfather started, and my father, and we were all in it in Africa, and capturing animals and placing them all over in conservation projects all over the world. And in 1985 about, I came the first time to Costa Rica. Now we own a nice tract over the jungle, and we have the animals like wildlife, monkeys and birds all coming right to our house, and I just love it here.
That is a very, very, very small tree compared to what I will show you.
Are you serious? Here, go stand next to it. I'm going to take a picture of you in the very small tree. Vienen para inspiración.
Para inspiración, sí.
Sí. Necesita ver cómo es la vida.
Aquí, sí, aquí como es, la vida es muy tranquila. Esta se llama urbanización Villa del Sur. Ahí hay una pulpería.
Importante que ver cuántos grandes están y cosas y copia exactamente. O solamente cosas que tú sabes un día mejor.
¡Hey, a Tigre!
Amigo, mucho
¿Cómo
gusto.
estás?
Un placer. Bienvenido a Costa Rica.
Thank you.
¿Estamos listos para la pesca?
Yeah, let's go fishing.
Y a ir a buceo.
Yeah.
Cuando las mareas son muy grandes, 7 metros, 8
Siete.
posiblemente.
70, 80 feet, huh?
Sí, sí. Pero todo en sí, los mogos es una zona especial de buceo, de snorkel.
Yeah, snorkeling. Oh, beautiful
La
snorkeling.
marea baja a la cintura, alta, 2 metros, 3 metros.
Well, that's the whole object of the Rainforest Recovery, right? That's what Jana Schultz is doing with her radio station and getting the Rainforest Recovery radio station. And she's going to bring this to the Costa Rican people and let the Costa Rican people make the Rainforest radio station what it is. And you're gonna preserve muy pura the Osa, todo the Osa.
Verde,
Yeah, right.
todo. Mantener esto verde, cuidarlo. No mega construcciones, no. Cosas pequeñas, por aquí, por allá,
Right.
pero no grandes construcciones.
People can get involved with Rainforest Recovery by going to our website at rainforestrecovery.org. We have a new concept called a web station, and it's not just our radio station streamed live online in several languages. This web station also involves web TV series about the live life on the Osa. It also is really a reality spot for all the different links that are involved with Rainforest Recovery. And if you go to that website and you search and you look to the areas that you're interested in, then you'll find something, you'll find a place, because Rainforest Recovery is an umbrella and there's so many entities under that umbrella that if you go there, what we want you to do is to go and find on that website the area where you feel your heart is and where you feel like it is the area where you want to be involved, whether it's like actually owning a piece of the rainforest, whether it is being involved in the World Scouting Organization's Ecological Center here, Education Center, whether it is, whatever it is, you'll find it there. And so it is our hope that you'll go to our website at rainforestrecovery.org and find a place where your heart can be and where it can make you more full.